Milk. I'm not going soft or nothing, but gotta admit, it's kind of nice having the kid around.
Give me number 32. Mild.
Yeah, sure.
听说你认识这个烂城市里的各色人种，我需要你帮我找到一个人。
我好像谁都认识，除了你。Who are you?
They call me
My bad. Should have introduced you. I'll make it quick. Meet the daughter of the richest, most powerful mafia don in Gotham City. Helena Bertinelli. Yep, that Bertinelli. One day, she comes home to find her whole family in the living room. Mama. Anyone and everyone with Bertinelli blood is there. Oh, and that's Stefano Galante, the guy making the play for the Bertinelli turf and fortune. When one of the goons finds the kid alive, the big softie sneaks her out of there and hides her away in Sicily, where she is raised by his own father and brother, both assassins. She spends the next 15 years thinking only of revenge. So she starts training. When she was ready, and by ready I mean a badass motherfucking killing machine, she moves back to Gotham, starts working on that kill list. She has the murder stuff down, but the rest?
Do you know who I am?
Do you know who I am?
Still a work in progress.
Do you know who I am?
The crossbow killer.
They call me.
The crossbow killer.
They call me.
The crossbow killer?
They call me Huntress.
She calls herself Huntress. Fucking fabulous, if you ask me.
And who are you looking for?
Great club.
We got the girl.
And?
And it disappeared.